Today, Brooks, we have a fossils mini dig kit. You want to try it? You want to open it? Okay. Let's see what it comes with. Magnifying glass. That's a little brush and a little pick to dig out the, looks like a little block of clay, huh? Instruction booklet. Alright, so let's take the clay out of this plastic packaging. Let's see what we can find in here. Alright.
Are fossils in the clay?
It's supposed to be fossils, yeah. We'll see.
I want to dig into it.
You want to dig into it? Alright, you want to use this little tool right here? Okay, if I can get it open. Alright.
And I need a magnifying glass. Can
Yeah.
open that?
So how do you think you do it? Should we read instructions?
No.
Nah, it's crazy. Alright, go for it. See what you can find in there. How do you think you did it? You can maybe hammer at it?
Yeah, let's get a hammer.
You want to get a hammer? Get to the point, huh? You can do that at it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Watch your fingers, okay?
Wait, did you open this?
No, you want me to open that?
Yeah.
Magnifying glass. So when you get the clay open, get the fossils out, you can look at them. See something? What do you see? See a fossil?
No.
Not yet?
Not
Gotta
yet.
keep digging, huh? That's a brush.
Thank you.
So you can brush it off, yeah. Just like a paleontologist, huh? You want me to dig while you do that? May keep you busy for a while, huh? Maybe this is more for parents.
No.
Huh? No, I mean it's for you, but in a way. You don't understand now, but the parents probably understand that it might keep you busy, huh? Just gotta keep digging. Let me try to break it open.
No.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Something's kind of in the middle.
Think so?
No, like there. In the middle of there.
Oh, you can always clean these with your shirt. Think there's a fossil in there?
I think there is, but I just haven't got to it yet.
Okay, just keep digging, huh? Here, you want to put it down here? Put it right here. Let me break the clay open for you. Let me start from there.
What if there's something in the middle?
That's true. Yeah, maybe you want to be careful, huh? Keep digging then. You gotta find that fossil, okay?
Wait, were you gonna break it open with this?
Okay, I can try. Let me see it. You
Try and
gotta let
break
me
it.
play though. Okay, let's see. There's something in there, huh? What's that right there?
Hang on, let me get
What?
that.
No, I want it.
No,
I found
no.
it. I found it.
I need to. It's
What do you
green.
see?
It's
You
green.
think there's something there?
Yeah.
Can I? Oh, man.
Now it's turning like rock. I think it's a fossil.
You think it's a fossil? Keep
Hang
digging.
on. Yeah, it's getting a little hard. I think it really is a fossil.
Okay.
Let me brush it off. Yep, I think I found the fossil.
Oh man.
See, it kind of.
Yeah, there's something there, huh?
Just keep digging.
I
to
bet
get
there's
the
more
whole
than one
thing.
fossil there. You think?
Yeah, I think so. Let's look on the box. Oh, look. You can find 2.
You think so?
See? Oh, look at all these that you can get.
Oh, man. I wonder which one you'll get.
I want that one.
You want that one?
I mean this one. Oh, no, that one.
Yeah, you don't know which one you want, huh?
I want everyone.
Need me help?
No, I think I got it.
Okay. Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah, me too. Ow.
It's hard being a paleontologist, huh?
I'm not even.
Hard work.
Are we gonna open that one too?
It's the same thing.
Are we gonna open it?
We can, yeah. But you
'Cause
gotta
maybe-
finish this first.
But after we do this, wait a minute. I think I know which one it is. I think it is that one.
You think it's that one?
I really do.
You gotta keep digging, man.
Oh, I think that's more the fossil.
You see another fossil, you think?
I don't know. I
Could
think
be.
that's more the fossil.
Yeah, you just gotta dig around it.
I wish we had a shovel.
A shovel? Might be a little extreme.
What?
Nothing. There you go, brush it away. Good job, man. Ooh, look at it, look at it.
Whoa.
See it, huh?
Yeah. Still see it.
Brooks, let's show the viewers kind of your progress here after about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes after we cut. You can start to see the fossil appear, one of the fossils. And so you'll just keep digging, right? You about ready to take this fossil out?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Just dig away, huh? That's just the clay. No, nothing in there.
Just
Gotta
clay.
inspect it, huh?
It's just
You want to
clay.
get this one out?
Yeah.
You want to get this fossil out?
Yeah.
Okay. You can probably put it on the table. It's easier.
Ooh.
Here, sit it right here. Sit it right here. Okay. 'Cause you gotta be real careful with it. You wanna use your brush?
Yeah, let's get my brush.
Okay. Let's sit it right here. Okay.
Dusting off it.
You ready to take the fossil out? That one right
No,
there?
it's not really out yet.
No? Just chip away, maybe?
Hang on. I only do it.
I'd stay at the top.
Okay.
Just start digging right there, and then right there, where it's connected. And it should come right out. Near the fossil. Hey, right there. See the fossil? Okay, so you dig right underneath it. You got it?
Yeah.
It's coming out.
Barely.
See, it's just connected right there. Careful.
Ow.
Always scrape away from you. Like this. You always want to scrape away, okay? Just like a knife. You don't want to bring the blade towards you. There's
Oh.
one, so you'd clean it up real good, right?
Let's get that.
Yeah. It's pretty neat, huh?
Or is that just clay?
Which fossil do you think that is? Think it's petrified wood?
Yeah.
Or maybe a ray tooth?
Yeah, ray tooth.
Could be a ray tooth fossil,
That
huh?
is the smallest.
We'll clean it up real good, huh? That looked
And
neat.
me.
You did good. I'm proud of you.
So I do need to wash me too.
Yeah, you're pretty dirty.
We got a fossil.
You want to show the viewers the fossil? Show her what you found? Or show them what you found? I think that looks like a ray tooth.
Yeah.
Just got to get it good and cleaned up. And this is a different fossils that you can find.
Or we could wash it over in the sink over there.
Yeah, water will help wash the clay away.
Wish it came with water.
Well, we have water. So that's a neat product. That'd probably keep you busy by yourself. I don't know.
Let's see if there's
Maybe
any
45 minutes or so.
Let's see if there's any more in it.
Okay.
Any.
Alright, so now, about 20 minutes later, we got all the clay broken up. You found a couple fossils.
That I
And you already dipped it in water. You want to wash it off real good? And you found a shark tooth as well. Do you know where it's at? Right here. You want to wash this off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, a sharp, huh? Pretty cool.
Yeah.
And hopefully we didn't miss any other fossils, but we tried to go through it all. Okay. Alright, you want to show the viewers what you found?
I found a shark
tooth. And what do you think that is?
This? And maybe goes with that. What's that?
A crinoid stem? It's a type of fossil.
Crinoid stem.
You want to show it to them? Show them the other side real good.
I'm gonna wash
Dirty
off
hands.
Rocky.
You can kind of see it. Needs to clean it up a little bit more with water.